With the exponential growth related to digital transformation, companies large and small are swimming in logistical complexities. Customer support, IT operational problems, email requests, and even supply chain issues require ongoing interdepartmental tracking and communication. More and more businesses are finding that a dedicated solution is the only way to handle the onslaught of internal and external support issues, which is where ticket management comes into play. Ticket management solutions are used to create, organize, prioritize, and resolve support issues, or tickets. These tickets can be related to internal IT operational or development issues, customer service requests, or used to create a workflow and approval process for other business functions. Depending on the nature and complexity of the issue or request, it can be prioritized, escalated, or assigned to a different department. Once a ticket is generated, its progress can be tracked from creation until the desired resolution. A ticket management system can bring order to IT operations and customer support by methodically managing internal issues and customer requests. Other benefits include a shared inbox where all tickets are visible, a self-service help center for customers, a live chat tool for quick assistance, and surveys that let customers rate an agent's performance. A ticket management system can be effective and useful to any organization, but choosing the right solution can be a daunting process. Here are some key points an MSP needs to consider when choosing a ticket management system for their customers. Understand end-user expectations. Whether the focus is internal IT or external-facing customers, there will be specific expectations for the product. Training requirements. How much time will it take for team members to become proficient with the solution? Features versus pricing. Make sure the solution has all the necessary features before cutting corners to save money. A system that only does part of the job may not be helpful in the long run. Want to learn more? Check out our expanded video on the same topic for a more in-depth discussion, or reach out to a member of your Ingrammicro sales team to set up a call. Trust Ingrammicro to help you develop a better security strategy for your customers.